Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another Harbor Freight haul. I just could not pass up on the 35% off of the sockets, so I went ahead and got them. I'm upgrading, very slowly upgrading the toolbox and my socket set. As you can see, my socket and my socket drawer is kind of a mess. So we are going to be organizing and upgrading everything to this. Got the socket tray organizers and got these two transmission funnels. I like to use these as oil funnels. I'll cut the bottom off because they just work good, and I needed a transmission funnel too. So perfect. We will go ahead and show y'all what we get organized. So here's my current setup. As you can see, it's just kind of a smorgasbord of sockets kind of laying around, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to move them to here. So I'll go ahead and film it and put it in fast forward for you. Yeah, that's gonna do good.
Yeah, because you have a quarter inch on one side and 3/8 on the other, I think.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it said.
Sweet.
Half inch, 3/4.
Half inch, 3/8 and a quarter.
Half inch, 3/8, quarter, I think.
Cool. So now we're gonna take everything out of this top drawer too, or at least move it over for the time being.
What's the hip?
Aluminum.
Maybe.
I can go upstairs. I do like these nice trays that Icon puts their stuff in. Like, that's always really cool. Very nice. Alright guys, so it's definitely not the best, but it's a start. Really need to get a bigger toolbox, but
That's expensive.
it's a good start. I need to get more sockets. And honestly, I just need to completely reorganize this entire toolbox again. But we got enough to where it fit. As you can see, there's all the new stuff and some of the old. Yeah, not too shabby. Yeah, I'm super excited to finally upgrade these Icons and get them into the toolbox. Quinn's a good brand too. They had the 35% off, but I've been wanting to get Icon for a while now, so I just went with the Icon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll have a tool upgrade video in the near future for you, where we can maybe upgrade something else. Just slowly getting upgraded with the tools. I need to get a different torque wrench. I need to get a good screwdriver set. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.